Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to HTML course. This is the section on forms. We've got a basic form here, and when we've been submitting it, it's been writing the information as a name-value pair in the query string. That, by the way, when you stick a query string on the end of your URL and make a request that way, that is called issuing a get. Sorry. I got in the habit of saying get because that's another another programming tool for doing source control. Get. And I've also misspoken a second way, in that actually anytime you make a request to a server using a URL, you're issuing a get request, whether it has a query string on it or not. Anyway, if you don't want to put the information on the URL, for instance, if you want to encrypt it and send it over the wire in an invisible way, like if it's a credit card number or something like that, something sensitive, you know, PII, personally identifiable information, right? With HTTPS and all of that stuff, you don't want to make this a get. You want to make it a post, right? You want to get yourself a SSL certificate, do HTTPS, get your little green lock going up here on your URL, and you want to post it instead of getting it. So we're going to change our form. We're going to say method equals, and the default was get. That's what we've done already. We're going to change it to post. Post and get are HTTP verbs. It's what we're trying to do over the HTTP. HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. That's the language of the web. All right, we're saving that. We're going back over here. We're going to take the query string off. Okay, just refresh it for good measure. Okay, now I'm going to type in my first name again, and this time it just disappears, right? It doesn't show up here. Now, if this were real, we'd have to also tell it where to post it to. For instance, you could say action equals you know, HTTP : www.google.com. It's going to post it there. All right, I don't think it'll actually do anything, but it'll be fun. Resubmit form. Yeah, okay, now. Boing, see? We ended up at Google. So this is the URL, and we posted first name equals Clay, right? So now they know I'm spying on them. Good times. Anyway, the reason that you would want to say method equals post is so that your name value pair goes in the body of your HTTP request and not in the publicly visible URL that you're going to. That would be, you know, it'd be logged everywhere and all that stuff. Okay, thank you.